Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is buying in bulk.
So buying in bulk was one of the larger hurdles we had to take and overcome as a business, a small business. You know, a lot of times there's not a whole lot of capital in the company that you may be working with when you're first starting out in business. And so therefore, it's very hard to perceive that, you know, buying 10,000 skeins or buying, you know, what is it, 5 skeins of paper or whatever it is, right? Mm-hmm. Comes in a box.
Yeah.
Isn't that what it is? Reams. Yeah. Reams, right? Mm-hmm. You know, it's very hard to fathom that you need that much copy paper. So you buy the retail version of, like, you know, 150 sheets, right? Mm-hmm. Instead of the 5,000 sheets you could have got for roughly $5 more, right? And so, again, it's hard to start thinking about buying in bulk.
Yeah.
You know, go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say a really good example of this is packing tape. We were going through about $10 to $20 a month in packing tape. And Roy's like, we need to buy this in bulk. You know, we can get some from Uline and get a mega box of the stuff. And we spent $100 on packing tape. And I think we got about 30 rolls. But these are like wide ones. They're like 3-inch wide tape. And it's lasted us over 2 years now. So instead of spending, you know,
$20, yeah, like what, a month? At least every month we spend another $20, you know, and so and I think the tape box is still going.
It is. Yeah, I've only used about half.
And we still got a bunch. See, and so that's where that that buying in bulk can really help out in the long run. Basically, what it comes down to, if you're having struggles with the concept of buying in bulk, you need to look at your business like this: are you just in it for a year? Or are you in it for 5? Or are you in it for 10? Or are you in it for life? Because if you're in it for life, that buying in bulk will pay it off for you in dividends in the long term. In the short term, you have to take a hit. You have to take a hit on your personal finances, you know, on your capital, operating capital of the company. So this way, in 10 years' time, that really helped you, set you up very well, where you have an excess of inventory, no problem, right?
Yes. A good example of this too, buying things in bulk, not only do you get a wholesale price, so you'll actually get the items cheaper per item, but you're going to save yourself a lot in shipping, because if you had ordered one of something and had it shipped to you 10 different times versus had bought 10 of those all at once and then it just was shipped one time, that means you saved yourself paying shipping 9 different times. So that's definitely a good way to save yourself some money. But buying things in bulk, like Roy says, can be expensive. So maybe make it your goal once a month or every other month you buy something in bulk.
Yeah. And slowly but surely, you'll have a surplus and it will really help your business float those dry times.
Yep.
So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.